Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. While Storm Benjamin is, well, having a field day outside because of the rain and the wind, and it's horrible outside, but inside it's warm, and we are still working on this beautiful book. So today, page 23, we are going to do this little bunny. It's a bunny. I thought yesterday it was a puppy, but it's a bunny. Yeah, I am going to do some traditional colors, and I want to do blue for the little ghosty, like a kind of a genie, but not quite. I have here a color palette that I have picked out, and of course, to go to the black Jelly Roll Glaze and my Uniball Signo for some detailing. So get yourself a drink, get your supplies, and let's go and have some fun. he is so cute. I love how he turned out. Or she, I don't know. Especially Little Ghost. When you do, I think when you do an outline with a color, it accentuates the ghost a little bit more. But it still keeps the idea of transparency or being white. I didn't do anything with the little teeth. I just kept it this way. Oh, I think the little bow here needs some white. And you can see what I always love with giving it some white accents. It just adds a little bit more to the page. So that is another page done, folks. Let's go to the front. You know the routine by now. A leaf. I think I'm going to do this one. This is BG7. One of my go-to colors for the eyes. That I really love. I love a teal color. 23 done. Unbelievable. All of a sudden it goes very fast. Especially when you think of it, Friday, a week from now, it is already Halloween, and then we have finished the book. I got a question in the comment section of the video if I am going to do this page and this page. Of course, think I'm going to do that in the same video as I do page 31. So, but I will be finishing these two pages because they are part of the book. And we are going to color the entire book. So these will be done too. All right, number 24. This little bat. I love this one as well. I think it's a sack of candy. I'm not going to do the bat black. I'm going for a darker gray because it's black is just black. And I think I'm going to give him a little pink nose and a little pink inside of the ears. Don't know what I'm going to do about the sack yet. I'm thinking yellows because I haven't used a lot of yellows. Let me check. No, it is time. Yellows, maybe a brown or something, or a green, or you can go everywhere with color of a little sack. And I'm going to have to put the colors of the numbers in the bow. That's just my thing. I always use a color multiple times, as you can see here. I'm trying to give a little bit more peace to the page. It's not that busy then. So as you can see here, the yellow here I put here and try to divide it a bit more even. So that's just my way of coloring. All right, 23 done. Thank you so much again for watching, for following along, for showing me your beautiful pages. It is really appreciated. I love it that so many people are following along with this book. While Storm Benjamin is still raging outside, trying to keep warm tonight, and for the color palettes, sleep over it one night again. And if you haven't done yet, please hit the like and subscribe button to help this channel along. And I would love to see you tomorrow in the next video. Bye bye.